Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we will break down for you how you can draw a perfect, clean circle in your PowerPoint presentations really quickly and without any advanced technical skills, guys. It is very simple, so let us guide you through this. So head over to the presentation on Microsoft PowerPoint and select the slide here from the left-hand side. So let me select one with a lot of space. Let me go with that slide here. So what you want to do, guys, is head over from Home to Insert here at the top, and here to the right, select Shapes. And from the menu below, select Oval here with your left mouse. And after that, simply use your left mouse to draw your circle. Now, if you do it by hand manually, you will see that the circle will not be 100% clean and perfect. So what you want to do, guys, to stabilize your circle and to make it not look like an oval is simply press and hold left shift on your keyboard while adjusting the size of your circle with your mouse, just like that. So simply release both of them, the left mouse as well as shift, and as you can see, you have now drawn a perfect circle like this. You may customize it by changing its color and so on and so forth. You may resize it, for example. However, guys, if you resize it, again, you will need to press and hold left shift to stabilize it and to make it perfect. So that's basically it. That's how it works in practice. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.